What I want to share with you today is another error that our textbooks teach us, that we know the sun is really far away because the light from the sun is parallel. The light from the sun is not parallel. Let me show you the foundation for my claim. My foundation starts in the dictionary. Here is a dictionary.com definition of parallel. Extending in the same direction, equidistant at all points, and never converging or diverging. To converge means to tend to meet in a point or line, to incline toward each other, as lines that are not parallel. These two lines converge. They start at two different points and incline toward each other. To diverge means to move, lie, or extend in different directions from a common point, to branch off. So these two lines are diverging because they are starting at a common point and moving away from each other. These two lines neither converge nor diverge. Therefore, they are parallel. Pretty basic foundation, right? All right, let's build on that. All right, let's take a look at this candle. Is the light from the candle converging, diverging, or is it parallel? How can we tell? Well, is all of the light moving in the same direction? No. Look at the wall. The light is spreading out in all directions. Since that light is spreading out, we can tell that it is diverging. Also, notice how the light appears to be getting dimmer the farther and farther it gets from the light. That is because the beams of light are denser in the fire, being closer together at their point of origin. And then they get farther apart as they move away from the light. If the light from the candle was parallel, all of the light would move in the same direction, and it would not get less dense as it moved away from that point of origin. So, building upon my foundation of the dictionary definitions, I have two confirming evidences and a disconfirming evidence, all of which support my conclusion that the light from the candle is not parallel. Okay, so how are we going to determine if the light from a light bulb is parallel? Well, I'm going to look for the same things. And I can conclude that the light from a light bulb is not parallel because diverging light spreads out in more than one direction, and diverging light gets sparser and dimmer the farther it gets away from the source. Now, here we have the sun, and I can observe that the light is spreading out in more than one direction, and it is getting dimmer the farther that light gets away from it. Therefore, I conclude that the light from the sun is not parallel. Thank you.